Hi, welcome to our 4-H kitchen. My name is Yumi Domeng and I am a member of the Louisiana State 4-H Food and Fitness Board. Today we're going to learn a recipe about how to make homemade hummus with pita chips and carrots. The main recipe you will need 2 15-ounce cans of chickpeas drained with the liquid reserve, 1/3 cup of chickpea liquid, 1/2 cup of tahini, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 small lemons juiced, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the garnish you will need olive oil, paprika, and fresh chopped parsley. For the pita chips and carrots you will need 4 whole wheat pitas, 3 teaspoons of olive oil, sea salt, and carrots. Other kitchen materials that you will need include a food processor or blender, small bowls if sharing, and a knife. First, you add the 2 cans of chickpeas into the blender. Next, you add your 1/4 cup of olive oil. Next, you need 1/2 cup of tahini. Next, you add 1 teaspoon of cumin and 2 cloves of garlic. And your freshly squeezed lemon juice. And lastly, you add 1/3 cup of the drained chickpea juice. After about 30 seconds, you release the lid and with a spoon, scrape down the sides. Next, you can pour it into small bowls for sharing. And then, as a garnish, you can use freshly chopped parsley, a dash of paprika, and a drizzle of olive oil. And that is how you make your homemade hummus. Thank you for joining me to learn how to make our healthy recipe. And remember, 4-H Kitchen rules!